As you can see on my shirt, it says Ignite the Spark, and that is what I'm looking forward to doing, igniting the spark in myself, and in turn, igniting the spark with my students. I have the actual Jumpstart Kit, 10 micro bits and accessories in it. Type in the Python code for making a heart, and here is the heart right here. Music simple. And one of the activities that I want to share is the heartbeat activity. Again, I programmed in Python that when button B is pushed, it will speed up. So now I'm going to push button A so you can see it slow up. Python is one of the fastest growing program languages in the world, and the girls that I service need to learn it. It is time now for my girls to be more challenged with the microbit by learning and using Python.